This machine is for the ferrule grinding machine. Now we make introduction for the touch screen. Okay. Firstly, we press this button to go to the auto page. Okay, this page is auto page. Okay, now we make a briefly introduction for the pages. Okay, this is a home page. This is a auto page. Okay, this is a menu page. Okay, we can see the functions for the product move cylinder and the ferrule press cylinder and the sanding bed move cylinder. Okay, and also for the X and Y axis homing and the sanding places, we have total file sanding places, position 1 to position 5. Okay, this is a grinding route, grinding path. Okay, next one is a parameter. Okay, for different shape ferrule or different size ferrule, we can reset up the grinding places. Okay, we can set up here. Okay, next one, page down. Also, we can set up the speed for each position traveling. For the X and Y axis traveling speed, we can set up at this page. Okay, another one is a delay page. For the cylinder action delay, we can set up here. Okay, and another one is input and output page. Okay, this is input. We can check each signal at input signal at here. Okay, page down is output. We can check each output is okay or not. For example, this is X and Y axis direction. The light on, that means it has signal. Okay, for example, I will go back to the menu page. I will press move product cylinder. Okay, and this we need go back. And then try this one. Okay, then we can go back to the output. We can check here. And Y7 is shining. That means it has a signal. Okay, this is input and output page. Okay, another one. Okay, the last page is the product number page. We can check it. That means for this touch screen, we can totally save 10 programs. Okay, for each program, you can keep set up and save it for different ferrules. Okay, for example, I select number 1, input number 1 here. Okay, and production number switch, long press it. Okay, we can see here is light on. That means the number 1 is okay. We can go back to the parameter. Okay, for all of the data, is for the number 1. For auto page, you see here is production number. Okay, if I change into another one, for example, number 8. Number 8 is MPT one. Okay, I can change to number 8 and long press it. Okay, we can go back to auto page. Now it's a number 8. Okay, for the parameter, you can see it's all MPT. You can reset up the data as per your ferrule shape and ferrule size. You can set up here. Okay. Okay, we go back to the auto page. Now we make introduction for this one. Okay, we can check it. Manual mode, jog mode, and single cycle, auto mode. Before the machine operation, we need light the X and Y axis, and each cylinders go back to the reference places. Okay, firstly we can select the manual mode. Okay, and press this button, initial. That means let each axis and cylinders go back to the reference places. After all go back to the reference places, this light will on. Okay, let's press it. You see, go back, and for the XY axis, it will go back. No, sorry, there happened a mistake. So the number 8 is empty. So the X and Y axis doesn't go back. Okay, I will go back to this page and turn it into a, okay, firstly you can check here. You see, the original position is empty. We need a setup this, then it can go back to the reference places. Okay, we can change it into a program. The number one has data. We can switch to number 1. Okay, see, after we select number 1, the X and Y axis will go back to the reference places. Yeah. After this light is on, then we can do the next operation. Okay. Firstly, I select jog mode. Okay, and then I can press the start button or this start button to do the operation, each step operation. Okay, firstly, press it. Yeah. For each sending position, we have 5 position sending position. This is the jog mode. By this mode, we can check each production setup step is okay or not. If there has a problem, we can stop it and reset up the data in the program. Okay, we can cancel it. We need to finish the cycle. Okay. We can see like this one, the single cycle. After we select this mode, when we press the start button, it will do a production cycle. This is sending per cycle. If I press again, we do another cycle. Okay. Last one is auto mode. That is for the formal production. After we select it, we can press this start button or this one, save. Yeah. After we do it, we need to press this one. Then we can reload the ferrule and change the ferrule. Now we press this again. Okay. This is auto mode for the production. By the way, yeah, for the normal production, we need to start the motor firstly. This is a motor, you know. When this page isn't at the manual mode, we cannot start the motor. No, this, you know, it cannot start it. We must start the motor at manual mode. Yeah. When select this, we press the motor. Motor is starting. Then we can make another showing for the auto mode. Okay, we select this one and press start button. Okay. For the motor stop, we need still press here, but should select the manual mode. Start it. Yeah. So this is auto page. We can change into the menu page. Okay. For the menu page, we can make showing. Okay. The first one is move product cylinder. Second one, press product cylinder. The third one is abrasive belt move cylinder. Okay, we can show them one by one. Okay, the first one. Okay, the second one, product press cylinder are these two. Okay. Yeah. The third one is for the sending belt move this cylinder. Yeah, this cylinder is for the belt movement. Okay. This button is control the X and Y axis and also position 1, position 5, and another one is the original position. Okay. For example, I press this one. Yeah. Here we need it's already manual mode. Okay, manual page. This position 1. Yeah. Okay. Now we can let it go back to the original position. Yeah. These things. Okay. Another one is the parameter page. Okay. For the parameter page, you can change the data as per your request. For example, the position 1. For the Y, for example, you can change it into 5. Okay. I change it back 0. Okay. It's easy. Another one is speed. If you think the speed isn't okay, you can change here. For the speed, you can change. Yeah. Each position. And also for the X and Y axis traveling or homing speed, you can change it. For the delay, just keep this is okay. The last one is a program. Okay, for example, number 6, I want to change it number 6. Okay, non-press it. Okay, go back, parameter. Okay, this is the number 6, the data. If you want to change it, for example, can change it. Oh, maybe manners. Okay, what is this one? Okay, what is file? What is file? You can change the data as per ferrule. Okay, now we can go back to the menu one. Okay, first one, yeah. Second one, position 3, position 4, position 5, and go back to reference place. Yeah. So the machine is simple, and for the operation is simple. Okay, here is the production quantity. If I want to zero it, just press clear. Yeah, for the production number, for example, I want to produce 10 pieces. Okay, can input it. Okay, so that's all. Yeah.